Today we're going to talk about the 5 things that may be stopping you from getting what you want using the law of attraction. So the first 4 are not that unusual. You may not be terribly surprised by them. But the last one, this 5th thing, is a little bit different and not a lot of people recognize it. So stick around, we'll get right into it. The first thing that could be getting in your way is your unconscious beliefs. And in the morning you're thinking, yeah, all right, I am rich, I am abundance, I am wealth. And your morning routine includes these affirmations that are powerful, and you're ready to go for your day. And at that time you feel invincible. My day's going to be great, I am wealth. The biggest problem is throughout the day you have these unconscious beliefs that are kicking in. So you might wake up in the morning, you're chanting, I am wealth, I am rich, I am a magnet to money. But then you go to the supermarket later that day, you're kind of shopping around and you're thinking, oh, these apples are beautiful. Oh, but they're $1 more than these apples. Well, that's kind of expensive. I'll just get these apples. So in that moment, are you in an abundance mindset or in a scarcity mindset? We've talked about this before, but it shows that there's a disconnect between what you are asking to create, abundance and wealth, and how you're acting, these unconscious beliefs that are coming up during the day. So how do you overcome that? Well, you want to become aware of your words. Just become very aware of your actions throughout the day. What are the words and the language that you're using with yourself? If you're saying, I hope, I want, I dream, I pray, not just in your morning practice, but every moment of the day. It's very important to stay conscious of the words, because hoping means you don't have it. Hoping it happens means you accept that it probably won't. What you need to get to is that you know that the universe will deliver and that you deserve this. You're worthy. You can have it. You can create it. It's yours. When you know, it's a completely different vibe. So you want to get to that space and try to maintain it throughout your day. And catch yourself in those moments. Catch yourself having a scarcity mindset and come back, bring yourself back. I am wealth. I am a magnet to money. I can do this. I want these gorgeous apples. So you can do it. Now, the second thing that might be getting in your way is a lack of emotion. So your emotions generate more energy, right? You'll hear people say, emotion is energy in motion. Your emotions are the driving force. If you think back to your childhood, to an event where you were really happy, just think about some big childhood event, and the reason some of those stick out so much more than others is that there are emotions attached to them, right? You don't remember Tuesday, May 5th when you were 6 years old, but you probably remember your birthday party when you had 9 friends over and you all went roller skating. No, you had emotion. There's a high emotional impact that burns it into your memory and lets you hang on to it forever. With law of attraction, you want your emotions to be at the highest possible vibration, because like attracts like. You want to, when you're visualizing, you need to really ask yourself, I want to manifest a mansion. And ask yourself why. Why do you want that? And then ask yourself, how will it make you feel when you have it? how will you feel? And amplify those energies. Keep asking yourself that question. Well, why? Why would it make you feel that way? Well, because X, Y, and Z. Okay, how does that make you feel? Keep asking and keep amplifying your energies. Like attracts like. You want them to be as high and as strong and as powerful as possible so that you can bring those things to you quickly and easily. Now, number three is environment. And what I mean by that is you want your environment to be as conducive as possible to you reaching your goals. So if you are around a lot of negative people who are kind of, naysayers, they don't understand what you're doing, they think it's silly, you're wasting your time, meditation is dumb, any of those things that quite a few of us have probably heard, you want to go ahead and spend less time with those people. Your tribe equals your vibe. You want to find a group of people who understand what you're doing and support your efforts. Whether it's yoga, meditation, law of attraction, you want to manifest things into your life that they don't think are possible. It is possible, but you don't want to be around the negativity because it will drag your energy down. You want your energy up, right? Emotion. You want that negativity out of your life as much as possible. I don't mean break up with your friends and leave your family behind. It's just spend more time than you currently are with a different group of people. Tribe equals vibe, your environment. You don't want it to drag you down. You need to make space for positive, supportive people in your life. Go find them if you don't have enough and raise those vibrations, raise your energies, keep your environment open and clear for you to manifest what you want. Item number four. Item number four is a lack of action. Some of you might think, oh, but it's the law of attraction. It just comes to me. Well, the word action's actually in there. Law of attraction, action, right? You have to take action. You can't just sit around saying, oh, bring me the love of my dreams, the love of my dreams, bring me the love of my dreams, bring me the love of my dreams. And you're going to wake up in the morning and your perfect partner is sitting in the chair across from you, says good morning. That's not how it's going to work. You have to take action and equip yourself with the right tools, taking actions on a daily basis that prepare you for the thing that you want to create. Most of the time, the action that's required to take you to your manifestation, it's something a little bit outside of your comfort zone. And that's why most people don't get what they want. The law of attraction doesn't work for them because they don't realize taking those actions, the universe might, kind of give you a little test and say, are you sure you want this? Are you ready for this? Are you willing to do what it takes to get this? So recognize the actions that make you a little bit uncomfortable, and when you take them, know that you are getting closer. Know that you're bringing yourself closer to creating those manifestations that you want. So the fifth thing is that you are trying to manifest things that are not in your destiny path. Each person has been given a certain hand of cards from the universe. You have your parents, you have your childhood, where you grew up, whether you're poor or your family was wealthy, what language you speak, where you were born, what you look like. You've been given all of these things at birth, and they're outside of your control. You can't change these no matter how hard you try to manifest them or what technique you use. So you can call it whatever you want. You can say universe, God, goddess, there's something greater than us. And you can't deny that it's there. You can call it whatever you like. It can be religious or not. But there are only so many situations per person that fit within your destiny. So you have free will, but it's all still within the cards that you were dealt. So it's not that you can't manifest anything because your destiny doesn't allow it. You can change which destiny path you're on. There are some choices, but sometimes you might realize that some of the things you think you want are not truly something that you want. And sometimes we get our minds distracted by other people's dreams and ideas, right? The society that we're in, we think, oh, I need this kind of house or this kind of car. And so we think, oh, you know, that's what I have to have. So I'm going to try to manifest these things. And then you realize, I don't really want that kind of house. I don't really want that kind of car. That's not really my life plan. I don't really want a white picket fence. So when you want to discover your true desires, you just want to take a moment to be quiet inside your mind. Find the place inside you and ask yourself, is this something that I truly want and desire? Or is it my ego? Is it keeping up with the neighbors? Is it because my parents or my peers think that I'm supposed to have things a certain way? We could talk about that a lot more. For right now, just know that there's a possibility that the things you're manifesting, you want to get in touch and look inside and see if they really are the things you want. So for purposes of this video, that's what we have today. If you got any value out of this, please go ahead and hit like down below. Comment down below where you're watching from. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. I'll look forward to seeing you soon.